Picture this, it is 10 p.m. Wednesday and your child suddenly needs urgent medicine and your salary is a week away and all your friends are broke and banks are closed. In that exact moment, tell me, where do you run for a quick cash? Do you turn to your quick loan app on your phone, or do you wait for a bank loan on the next day? We are going to tackle this big question between loan apps and banks, which is quicker for cash. Stick with me because this comparison could save you money and even stress. 2 months ago, I had worked for a client on academic writing. After I had submitted my writings to her, I was expecting instant payment. I think it was miscommunications between me and my client. And I had no supper at that time. So I grabbed my phone and requested 1,000 shillings from Metaloan. And I received this money instantly to my M-Pesa. But the next day, very early in the morning, that client paid me. And I remembered I had applied a loan in the bank and the process was slow and there was a lot of paperwork. And I waited for a loan from the bank, but unfortunately, I was not qualified. Then I came to realize loan apps and bank apps plays two different roles when it comes to speed of access. Loan apps such as Tala, Zenka, and metaloan disperses money between 2 minutes to 15 minutes, while banks, you can wait for hours, even days to disperse money to your account. When you want to borrow money from banks, it requires forms, guarantors, and even CRB checks. While on loan apps, it only requires an M-Pesa statement. We can definitely say that for emergencies, loan apps are king. When it comes to loan amounts, loan apps starts from 500 shillings up to 50,000 shillings, and the limit grows slowly by slowly. But with banks, you can get from tens of thousands to millions, but on app, you will never get a million bob. But banks can do that if you need. So here we can say that banks wins over bigger needs such as school fees, business, capital, or even buying lands. When it comes to interest rates, apps loan offers from 7% to 12% per month, but the interest rates for banks is from 12 to 14% per year, and it is regulated by CBK. For example, if you borrow 10,000 shillings from a loan app, it may cost you another 2,000 shillings to repay on a month. Bank loans costs less, but their approval time takes longer. So bank wins on cost. Loan apps are for convenience. When it comes to requirements, on loan apps you just need an ID, M-Pesa statement, and a smartphone. No collateral. Banks needs ID, payslips, guarantors, and collaterals for bigger loans. In short, banks favors formally employed, but loan apps are accessible to anyone. Now let's talk a little bit about repayments and penalties. On loan apps, you can pay from day 1 to day 30. When you delay, heavy penalties, harassment calls, and even CRB blacklisting. While on banks, they offer structured repayments. You can pay yearly or even monthly, and it is more flexible for larger amounts. When we talk about safety and trust, some loan apps such as Zenka, Tala, and Branch are legit, and we have other scammy loan apps. Banks regulated by CBK, meaning they are safer, stronger, and they protect your data. Use loan apps for emergency. But if you want instant access, you can head over to banks. Loan apps are like painkillers, fast relief. But for long-term use, banks are a hospital. They are slower but safer for your life. So here is a question that I'm leaving with you. Which is quicker, banks or loan apps? If you are in an emergency and you need money right now, loan apps are unbeatable. But if you want bigger loans, lower interest rates, and long-term financial stability, then banks are the best bet. The truth is that both have their places. The key here is knowing when to use them. Loan apps for emergencies and banks for a planned borrowing. So let me give you 4 quick loan apps if you need emergency right now, that you can go on to Google Play Store and then download these apps, then apply for loans. Now the first one is Palm Credit. Palm Credit gives you from 500 shillings to 50,000 shillings. And they approve you instantly. And they have also pocket-friendly interest rates. Another loan app that you can apply and get instant money is Fair Cash Plus. You can get from 500 shillings to 30,000 shillings. And it has got friendly repayment terms compared to most. Another loan app that you can get money instantly is Coro Loan App. Now this one disperses under 5 minutes to your M-Pesa, and they offer pocket-friendly interest rates. And a bonus loan app that you can get money instantly is metaloan app. Metaloan gives you from 500 shillings to 25,000 shillings. They have good customer support and they disperse instantly to your M-Pesa. Remember, don't borrow from multiple apps. Borrow only for emergencies, not luxury. Repay on time to build trust. So if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with those people who are exactly asking the same question. Joshua chapter 1 verses 9. Have I not commanded you to be strong and of good courage? Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.